This is a GT500 bumper from 2018 to 2022 fitment, one of the most aggressive bumpers that we sell for our Mustang community. Now let's go over this bumper and let you guys know what we did to it and go forward from there. We just wanted to give a shout out to our new sponsor, John, for giving us the opportunity to work on his new conversion bumper, paint it, assemble it, and do some contrast on gloss black and flat black accents. This will be going on his build. It's one of the hottest things. He's out there, a lot of car shows displaying his vehicle. That will be match perfect fit for us to make sure he's equipped with our bumper that we manufacture for the 2015 all the way to 2022 Ford Mustang, equipped with the GT500 conversion kit. Now guys, we have a beautiful tri-coat that was painted all around the bumper shell itself, as you can see all around in red. We did a 3 contrast look on this bumper. Now obviously we did the red all around the shell. We wanted to go just in the middle line right here to contrast it with gloss black in the bezels and in the middle protection bar, and on the downforce arrow works right here, you have flat black all around from the lip to the canards and all that good stuff. This matches his arrow on his car as well, because he's got his side skirts and rear diffuser in flat black. So we wanted to keep the downforce kit matches just like his others that he's got on his vehicle. Now this right here will give it such a mean aggressive look, just give it a nice glass black highlight to keep the car more aggressive and stands out more than other bumpers that other people have. If you're interested in getting your bumper painted, assembled, and shipped by us before or after you purchase your bumper on our website, or one of our sales reps direct invoices you, let us know right away. We'll give you a quote breaking down everything that requires to get this shipped to your door. This is by far the most exciting project that we had to do, even though it did some minor upgrades with us. This is the one and only 2022 SS1LE Rapid Blue Camaro. This is probably by far the most challenging and most accepted challenge that we took by our client. The Rapid Blue was never painted by us, but we went ahead and accepted the challenge and made sure we met his expectations to paint match this amazing bumper that we manufactured from 19 to 22 Camaros. What did we do? Let's dive into all the details and show you why this bumper looks so much more aggressive than the OE. Rapid Blue Chevy Camaro, one of the most outstanding and most eye-catching color that you can get when purchasing a Chevy Camaro. What's our client in with us on this beautiful build? And remember, this thing hasn't been in for 2 weeks under his ownership just yet. It's less than a week old. It's so beautiful, it's brand new, but he is taking advantage of a couple things that he wants to get done right away, so the paint is perfectly matched the way it's supposed to. Let's dive into all the details and show you guys what we're doing to this beautiful SS1LE. All right guys, we gotta go to our body shop right now. We have to make sure we perfectly match the paint on that Rapid Blue Camaro that we showed you guys on our episode earlier today. So let's go ahead and show you guys the experience of what it is to make sure we're paint matching that bumper, to make sure all the samples and everything else is perfectly fine, so you guys can get that same experience that our client is getting as well with us, so you guys know exactly what happens from start to finish on this beautiful project. Let's see you guys at the body shop. This Rapid Blue color, guys, is no joke. It's the hottest thing that a lot of Camaro owners are purchasing and ordering on their newest 2022 ZL1 SS, whatever trim that you guys end up getting. This is the first time we're painting a Rapid Blue that we have at our facility right now. So we're gonna put 1 and 2 against the fenders, and let us know in the comments which one do you think is closest to it. Should we go a little bit lighter? Should we go a little bit darker? This is very tough, guys, honestly. And why it's tough, because we've painted tri-codes two-stage, it's no problem, but this color is pretty challenging. What did we do? Let's dive into all the details and show you why this bumper looks so much more aggressive than the OE. He's got a cool mix with it, right? So we kind of did a custom package mixing the ZL1 1LE package with the ZL1 look. What we did is we equipped him with Auto Addicts USA bumper shell. The upper grille and lower grille and the lip is 1LE package with exchanging the ZL1 bezel with our fog lights that will fit with our bumper. This combines a very aggressive look to make the car not just stand out, but be highlighted by the amazing vertical ZL1 fog lights. Another cool thing too, we did the oil catch can for our client. Another thing we did right here is the lower grille right in front of the radiator to protect any flies or mosquitoes that will hit, to protect long jeopardy and give the radiator a long lifespan with his vehicle. Going over to the sidewalkers right here, he added the ZL1 mud guards right here to protect the car from rock chips, and on top of that, going over to the side, all around are ZL1 sidewalkers in flat black. And the theme for this car is obviously the rapid gloss, rapid blue, contrasting it with the flat black accents that our client has. Passenger side, you can see the sidewalkers with the ZL1 look, and then the mud guards with the details right here, contrasting it with the flat black on the front and the rear. Very, very nice, aggressive look. Now let's go over to my favorite side, as you can see, and just check that out. Honestly, that one is right on point for you. It's like, holy crap. Yeah. Look at that, my friend. Honestly, just like going all over the details. And I actually like this lower grille that you did, Richard. And think about it, it kind of gives it a cool contrast in the background. You know, give it that aggressive look that it looked. That DRL with the headlights, the flat black. We also painted this custom because we did the details for you to match this. So we just didn't leave it like the way it came from manufacturer. And all around is just wow, honestly. So yeah, the paint match is on point too. My details, I had to. I mean, look at this on that with the fenders on your side. It had to be on point. Even though it's a plastic and metal aluminum fenders, we made sure everything was good to give you that quality finish that it deserves. And this is my favorite project I've ever done in my career. So even though it's so minor details, but attention to detail is what made this car stand out, to be honest. We'll be good to go. Appreciate the opportunity, and we'll definitely be in contact very soon, okay? Thank you, thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this car. One of my favorite cars when it comes to modifying a Camaro, the SS1LE 2022. If you guys like what we did right here, give this video a thumbs up, and let's move on to the next project. I'll see you guys soon. we've been working with a lot of SS Camaros here, and some of our clients are doing the UMBRAs. This is a cool version that we're gonna show you guys, the Velux. The Velux is actually gonna be matching with this red third brake light. One of the reasons why he got the Velux, so he can match this awesome third brake light. So let's go ahead and show you what the Velux look like on a black SS Camaro and move forward from there. All right guys, let's check out this amazing Velux taillights. Freshly unpackaged, and the cool thing about these taillights is it contrasts 2 tones into it. So you got the gloss black housing all good to go, and you got the Velux red links ready to go. So like I said, it's actually a really great contrast. It's gonna match his car perfectly on the styling because he's got the gloss black Camaro and he's got the red light and third brake light right here, and it's gonna fit perfectly fine. So let's check out the OEMs right now and get this project started. I can't wait to show you guys the final look.
Get out my way, I need space to get the fake car. Get out my way, I need space, I'm about to take off. Get out my way, yeah, the frequency been way up, way up. Get out my way, it's too easy, it's a layup. Give me my space, I'm in my pride. I was a prisoner, all of the mine. Now I'm a traveler leading the line. They wanna cut me, I'm bleeding divine. Home of the greed, land of the slaves. No, we ain't free, still we do great. No, we ain't free, still we do great, yeah. Still we do great. I gotta say it and say it and say it again. Me and the devil ain't making amends. I've been a rebel since Lego and friends. I gotta make it and spin.
All right guys, so we got a cool update for you guys. Our drywalls are just been setting up in our showroom. We're custom building this showroom to make sure we have a good structure of how we're gonna lay out our cars and our products for you guys. As you can see, one big drywall has been added right here, and we're gonna add another one coming out to this door. Right as you see in the corner over there is gonna be a 9x9 door that's gonna enter all the vehicles that we're gonna be displaying in our showroom right here. We're super excited and stoked for this opportunity. We can't wait to see you guys in our facility on our grand opening.
Sure, that's gorgeous. Skywalker, that force is quite strong that I'm born with.
All right guys, so we have a really special delivery here, all the way from a manufacturer that we worked on to get a custom display for our new facility. I don't know how to put it in words. I haven't seen it yet, but I've seen a lot of commercials on it, and I think this is the next level of promoting our products and showing our customers' cars and out-of-state clients as well. We're super excited to take it to the next level. Arturo and I are gonna go ahead and open this up and show you guys one sample before we start displaying them and install them in our new facility.
Get out my way.
All right guys, so we're about a week out from officially moving everything. We've been preparing, emptying our warehouses, our studio. Unfortunately, we might have to paint this wall back to white now, but we're super excited. I cannot wait any longer. I'm like you guys, when you guys get car parts, this is pretty much what we're waiting for right here. Let's go ahead and open it and show you a teaser of what this product is inside this box.
Get out my way, I need space to get the fake car. Get out my way, I need space, I'm about to take off. Get out my way, yeah, the frequency been way up, way up. Get out my way, it's too easy, it's a layup, layup.
All right guys, you guys got the first side of it before anyone else to see it. That is you guys. We are gonna be displaying a very high quality, bright LED panels to display our products, our builds, and more advertising and regarding other brands that we work with. Obviously, we manufacture our own products, so our products will be displayed on here as well, but we wanna give opportunities to people, whether in-state, out-of-state, to promote their car in our new facility, in our showroom, next to all the awesome builds that we're gonna be having in our facility as well. Now, what's next? You guys gotta stay tuned, and I'm so stoked to go ahead and move over. We're about 4 days left before we get in the keys, so we can go ahead and transfer everything. We gotta clean up right now. We have been cleaning up. We emptied out our studio facility on both ends. We still have to take care of our warehousing facilities, and after that, we're on the go. We're sad, but we're extremely happy as well because we created so many memories here, and the memories can't be forgotten here, but it will forever, ever be in Auto Addicts family's hearts, and I can't wait to show you guys what we got soon.